Been in jail since I was 12.
I did 12 years in state prison.
But if I get arrested again, gonna do 15 to life automatically.
I think second chancers are super important. There's a lot of doors that get shut on them, but I do believe in the automotive industry, there's a lot of doors that'll probably open as long as they come with the right mindset and the right skill set.
I recently got out of kind of struggling to find my way out here.
This program specifically is allowing me to live my dream.
The West Coast Customs Academy was a thought that I had. I want to build an academy where we can build the students to become the next employees for West Coast Customs.
I'm getting an opportunity to do something good and something that I could do for the rest of my life.
We take the 360 approach to learning where the students learn every aspect of the vehicle. Fabrication, bodywork, paint, upholstery, electronics, and then final assembly.
It's mind-blowing, honestly.
My vision's always been for the West Coast Customs Academy to be able to be an actual university, transform this entire shop into a learning center, but we're also building cars. I'll be able to have this shop filled with 50, 60, even 100 students going through a program where we're building something. Once they're done, they're able to go get jobs. The future is huge. I would love to see this grow all across the country. I'm definitely proud of these students, seeing how hard they work, seeing how focused they are. Every single one of them have pulled me aside. How can I stay? I don't want to leave. That's just a good feeling. I could probably hire almost everyone. That's what this mission was. It was to rebuild this industry one student at a time. I think the main goal and objective of this is making it free. I think a lot of people can talk about they believe in this idea and this is what they want to do, but they want to use someone else's money to do it. For me to take my cars and sell them, cars that I never ever going to sell because they meant something to my journey, and to be able to sell those because I believe in my program, I don't think there's anything else I could say. My money is where my mouth is. Now I hope people will see that I'm serious about this and want to really help and donate to really build this to the next level.